Yo, I just got the iPad Pro 2019 version and ignore my hair, and I'm gonna unbox it for you guys and show you what it looks like because it's pretty damn cool. Also, I got the Apple, oh no, you can't see it. I got the Apple Pencil. It's real. It's expensive. It's 200 Australian dollars. This was, I don't know, I haven't got the receipt in my hand right now, but it's expensive. Join me and we'll unbox it and ignore my hair because it's crazy right now. I forgot to say, if you guys would leave a like on this video, it'd be much appreciated because it helps out the algorithm and it boosts out my content to more people on YouTube. And if you guys want to, you can also subscribe and hit the notification bell so you know when my next video is up. And other than that, have a good day. Also check out my socials. They should be here or down below. Have a good day. Don't wanna get copyrighted, Don't wanna get copyrighted, I gotta sing this for like 30 seconds because the B-roll's so long. I try to go find copyright music that I can use for a video, but I can't find any which kind of songs because I want to use something that's better than my voice. That's close enough. Here you go. I'm done. Bye. Right, so now, since you've seen that cute B-roll footage, this is the Apple Pencil, this is the iPad Pro, the 2019 model. Flip it to the back, we have the iPad Pro 11-inch with Wi-Fi. I didn't get the cellular because I didn't find that I needed a reason to get it. So I was like, hey, might as well go cheaper and just get Wi-Fi version. So this is 256, 11 inches like I said. I was looking at the 12.4, 12.5 inch version, but I personally thought it was a bit too big, so I just stuck with this one. Reason being is because I have a notebook that's pretty much the size and I like the size of it, so I just stuck with that size because it's nice and convenient for me. As like I said, the other one was a bit too big, so now we will cut it open, unbox it, and see what is inside. So now, since we have the cover taken off, we'll open it and we'll see what is inside. So here we have it here, the iPad. I still got a casing cover on because I haven't been able to unwrap it. And here we have the charging, I believe. And if we swap it over, this is the front. And we will get into it more detail. You got speakers down bottom, USB-C at bottom. On the side, you have your power button. On the top, you've got the more speakers. And oh, that might be power button. I'm not so sure. I need to find out. And on the back, you have the iPad made in California, the logo, and the camera. And flipping the other side, you can't, oh, there it is. You got a little indicator. I'm not sure what that is, but we will soon find out. That, in the box, we have the designed by Apple in California, my bad. And under that, we have your brick, USB Type-C, and we have the cable, which comes with a USB-C to USB-C adapter, And just to prove it to you, I will plug it in here and I'll show you. But other than that, the instruction manual, if you take everything out of it, you got wrong thing. But we have a little manual, how to navigate your iPad Pro, just instructions, how to use everything, Face ID and all that. And if I come down here, as you can see, we have two Apple stickers, so you can stick it wherever you want, as long as it's not a dumb spot. But we will look at the iPad Pro and see what it features. Also, before I forget, we do have the Apple Pencil. I do for wrapping off, I just forgot to actually show you guys. There's a pull tab here, so we just grab that, pull it outwards. Designed by California. And here's the Apple Pencil itself. So if I just take that out. And just normal pencil. It's a little bit weighty, but it makes sense. It's nice. It's a little bit bigger than a regular pen, but yeah, it feels comfortable. Not too heavy, not too light, just right. Alrighty, so here is the iPad, the 11-inch version, and that's my hair. Yes, it is. Now, I believe this is a power button up top, and along the sides are your volume buttons. So we're gonna try and turn it on, see if it comes on. And there you go, the good old Apple logo. It's coming on. This is actually my first time ever owning a iPad. I've never even like touched one before, to be honest. So we have the good old hello, swipe up to start. I would like my stuff in English. I live in Australia. Setting language. Oh, okay, it's already saying language for me. Australians speak English. We don't speak Afghanistan or anything like that. I guess set up manually. If you have an iPhone or iPad running iOS later, bring it nearby and assign it automatically. If you want to set up this, oh, I have an iPhone. I'm gonna turn this off because I'm currently recording on my phone, but then I'll come back. So after all of that, I have restored all of my information. I just put my iPhone next to my iPad and it came up with a scanning thing. I just scanned it and it set up everything for itself. I did Face ID, that was all done, and now I am to this page. Now what you would do is you would say restore from iCloud. And you select choose backup. You want to say yes. You want to say okay. And you want to say enable location, because I don't care if people know where I am. Apple Pay, already done. Alright, so after that was all set up, I've done all my banking information. So iPad analytics I don't want to show. Done with that. Download and install. Enter in passcode. Agree. And that will do its thing, and I will come back in a moment after this is done. Right, so what finally happened after a long time, probably, actually no, not that long, probably like half an hour. So this is finally done. You'll come to the screen, you will swipe up, you'll put in your information, That is all done. Our password requested for iCloud. Bonjour, we shall swipe up. Welcome to Face ID. Restore is now complete, everybody. See, restore is done. Just tap continue. Data privacy continue. Loading. I'd like dark theme, please. It looks nice. Homewards. Access dock. Welcome to your new iPad, ladies and gentlemen. Gentleman, welcome to the iPad. I've got fingerprint stuff everywhere. Swipe up, and here you have it. Everything you once had. Now, I have all my apps and stuff already being re-downloaded. So, yeah, that is the iPad. And now, I'm going to have a little play around with this. For example, I'll put my camera aside, we'll go to notes, and we'll see how it goes. Right, so why just figured out with the Apple Pen, if you get the more soft side, and you align it up with the side of the iPad, you just let it snap on. You feel together. That is snapped on, and it will just prompt up with a message like this, and it'll say connecting, and you should be good to go after that. It took me a while to figure out, but that's how I did it. Right, so here it goes with the first. Alright, so here's the first attempt of me doing this Apple Pencil thing. I've just opened up notes, I think, and I've set this up, and oh no, it's not working. What I do? Okay, I can do it here. We just make this bigger. Say hello YouTube. What's up? Question mark. Fish love food. Why not? And screw a bunch of stuff. No, it's cool. Take a little bit of me getting used to, so as you can see, the Apple Pencil is registering. Right. I'm going to play around with this for the next week or two, then I'm going to come back with a more detailed review, because I've never had an iPad. I don't know what to expect from it. I can't really compare it to anything else. But other than that, I'll play around with it. This is Brandon from Blaze Tech. I'm out. Subscribe, like, and follow my socials over here, or they will be in the link below. On that, see you guys next time. Bye.